In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your controller inputs to PlayStation on PC. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you've been playing Forza Horizon 6, you probably noticed that there's no, controller button layout on PC from Xbox buttons over to PlayStation buttons, and that there's not really good PlayStation support as well, because there's no built-in setting that changes the on-screen inputs from Xbox to PlayStation. So even if you play with a PlayStation controller, the game still may show those Xbox-style prompts. What you can do is use DS4 Windows and essentially go ahead and set it up to play with a PlayStation controller. However, it still is not going to show PlayStation controller inputs. It's going to show those Xbox controller inputs as well. So just keep that in mind. There's probably mods that you can download in order to replace the button icons, but obviously be careful with that. You never really know. And because the majority of this game is online, you always risk the chance of getting banned as well. So I would not recommend that. The safest option is just sticking with those Xbox controller button inputs. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. If you want to download DS4 Windows and you don't already have it, I'll have a video pinned down in the comment section below as well. If for whatever reason it's not there, let me know. I'll go ahead and pin that as well. Before you leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them. Have a great day. Bye-bye.